Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to sort with the help of formula. Like we have data here, we have an employee name and employee ID and as well as employee salary. But now we want to sort the salary, right? And lowest to highest and highest to lowest. So what would be the formula here, right? So in the manually you can do here, but it will take more time. But with the help of formula, it will take minimum time. Like you have to type short, 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 and this you have to asking for array that means which range you want to take. This would be our salary, would be our range. Now just close the bracket and just enter. What it will do, automatically Excel will give you ascending order salary, right? If you want to take this in descending order, so you have to just go to here and we have to double comma, then he's giving the option like ascending and descending. Just select descending option and close the bracket. You'll get the salary from highest to lowest. Thank you.